52%. That is getting it done, ladies and gentlemen. 52.77%. And then they give you a 2% dividend. Not bad at all. Very good. Progressive Insurance is $141 billion market cap, $72 billion in revenue. The PEs look just fine, 17.5. Man, compare that to Palantir, that's like, I don't know, 100 and some odd. I think they're up to like 300 or something. It looks pretty darn, reasonable. And part of it is, the insurance business had to get their pricing right because car prices just went through the roof. Used car prices went through the roof, and it really squeezed their profits. But they got their pricing right, and now these guys are growing really nicely. Progressive did better than Allstate. I own Allstate. I did well with Allstate, but Progressive was the horse that really won the race, in my opinion, within insurance. And you can see that return was really favorable. Now, these guys are going to keep rocking and rolling, and really having their stock price go up in value and rewarding investors. Well, let's take a look at it. Now, in the insurance business, you're not going to see huge margins because it's insurance. But they do get to take the capital or the cash that's being paid in form of premiums and then invest that money. So they make money a couple of different ways. And their free cash flow is really exciting. Look at this, 14 billion. Ooh, that's a lot of cash. So if I take 14 billion and say, hey, I like this high growth business, I can value this company 200 to 250 billion. I could really see a discount on Progressive. So Progressive looks beautiful. Great looking stock. Good job, Progressive. Good job to anybody out there that's been a Progressive stockholder. And the insurance business was a good business to be an investor in. And I'll show you a couple companies. I'll reveal the one that I'm going to start buying into. Progressive is out there. Allstate did well, but didn't do as well as Progressive. And Chubb. Warren Buffett started investing in Chubb here in the current year. Progressive won the battle of the insurance companies from a return perspective. Allstate came in second place. So you can have a little sympathy for me for not picking the number one player, but I'm going to be all right with a 40% return. And Chubb is kind of lagging, but when I look at Chubb's fundamentals, I'm seeing tremendous value. And they are also growing faster than Allstate, and I think they're growing faster than Progressive. So I'm seeing a lot of stars lining up for Chubb. So I'm actually going to switch horses and go from Allstate to Chubb in 2025. I don't want to do it now because if I sell my Allstate, I already have a pretty good tax bill I'm going to be paying with all the gains that I've taken here in 2024. I'm going to just wait a few weeks and then put this into action and move from Allstate to Chubb. So that's what's going on for me in insurance. And Progressive was a really good winner. I think it could continue to flourish because Progressive just has very strong business. Now, Progressive is in auto insurance and homeowners insurance and that kind of thing. It's nowhere near their health insurance business, which is the United Healthcare business. And that's important because obviously that business is really getting hammered. A lot of things going on there that are really negative. So it is not in that part of the business.